celebrate with his truck, the Virginia Giant. Tony, he has done such a marvelous job over the years. $110,000 truck, and look at the horsepower.
1,015 horsepower. A lot of ponies under that hood.
And coming from the right field foul line, it will be Excaliber from Maumee, Ohio, Dan Marquardt. Drivers Mike McKell, the value $100,000, and his horsepower 500, which is a lot less than Deal Wilson, but he figures 500 is enough to get him over these cars and in time to win this event. There they go. Excaliber crushing them. And Deal Wilson in the Virginia Giant.
Excaliber made the second round of cars before Deal did.
I have dreamed of doing this in rush hour about 5 o'clock.
Excaliber has transmission problems. He can't get it into gear.
And Deal Wilson
can't get it into gear.
Horsepower 1,015, really putting on a show here.
Okay, he found the gear.
But now it's Deal Wilson's turn to try and make his way past the cars, and Deal Wilson will then take off and try and crush it more. There he goes. Going to start with a station wagon and right over the sedans. Whoa! Excaliber with a beautiful turn. As he pounced up in the air, Virginia Giant will get there in the end as Excaliber is done. Excaliber right there has defeated Deal Wilson's Virginia Giant, and this is why. Look at him climb those cars, leap in the air, and almost turn a somersault. 500 horsepower was enough.
Round 2, Excaliber goes against Sampson 1.
This is going to be a great race. The Excaliber truck and Sampson 1. Don Maples on the inside out of Huntsville, Alabama. On the outside of him, Dave Marquardt out of Ohio. This is going to be great. Supercharged motor in Sampson. Excaliber covers him hard out of the hole. Excaliber's flying over the cars. He's flying, but here comes Sampson. Excaliber's going to watch out. I believe he did it.
Excaliber all over the track, and Excaliber the winner.
Wow, and I mean all over the track. He cleared the first 4 cars, it looked like. Let's watch him go at it one more time, leaving the starting line. Look at the big jump that Excaliber gets out of the starting block. And when he does that, he just hammers this 454 Chevrolet. Watch him. He's clearing about 4 cars, landing on the latter part of them, and then gets crossways completely on the track. Has to bring it around. A beautiful job of driving. Sampson's making up precious time on him. It is down to the finish line, and look at Excaliber coming on like gangbusters, and he trips the flags and wins the first round. It's going to be great competition. He looks like he'll be taking on the Duraliner Giant as they both advance to the second round of competition. More racing coming up.